Hi everybody, welcome to another session of learning. Let's learn together. In today's session, we'll be learning to how to create a video from a PowerPoint presentation. This is the latest feature available in Microsoft 365. And of course, this feature is available in Office 2019 and Office 2022. In this feature, we will be able to create a video from a PowerPoint presentation with your video inlay in that presentation. And here we require only a presentation and there are certain few clicks of button, and it is very easy and it is very simple. Thank you. Let's go to that PowerPoint presentation. Welcome back. Now I have just opened a sample presentation where it has got 5 slides. And this presentation, I want to convert into a video with my video inlay in this presentation where I am explaining or narrating the topics or slides. Now let's go to that record section. By default, this PPT or presentation will be in home section. From home section, you have to select slideshow. From slideshow, click on the record option, and if you want to start from the beginning, click from beginning. There are various options over here to select. If I want to mute my camera or switch off my camera, I can do it like that simply. Or if you want, I want to keep my camera on, though it will be deselected. Then there is a microphone option where I can mute also. Then while selecting, I can select additional extra microphone, different microphone additional, which is not there inbuilt microphone on your laptop or desktop. It is an additionally installed or fitted where you can select. Similarly, for camera also, you can put, other than the web camera, additional camera, a separate camera acting as a web camera. Here you can select. Okay, then there are 3 different views you can select for this particular slide. There are views like presentation view, then teleprompter view, and slide view. In teleprompter view, this is a new feature available in this particular latest Office 365 or 2019 or 2022, where you can put your notes over here, where it will help you to explain to the audience in a better way. Once these all are selected, I will click here on recording. Once I select, I'll get a timer, and once timer is started, I can start explaining the presentation. I can start giving the introduction to the people, to my audience about the subject or about the topic. Once this is done, I'll go to another slide. That is second slide. Again, I'll give some introduction about this presentation, importance about that topic, how it can be utilized, what way it will be benefited. And this is all recorded with my video on. Here you can see there is a video being recorded. Once this slide is explained, I'll go to another slide. Again, I'll explain this particular slide and tell the audience about what are the types of introduction of letters. Since the topic is about introduction letter, there are types of introduction of letter. So once this is completed, I'll go to a next slide where it says that how to write an introduction letter. Where you can see there is some video is also inbuilt over there in addition to my video. So it will play, both the videos can play over here. Once this is done, I'll go to a final slide where I'll explain about tips for writing a letter of introduction. Once this is done, I can stop recording here. Once recording is done, completed, I will just click here and close it. Now this particular video is recorded. You can see from here, it is slide by slide. And once timer is started, I can start explaining the presentation. I can start giving the introduction to the people, to my audience about the subject. So I got an option over here to shift this video from this place to anywhere. I can enlarge it. Okay, I can enlarge this particular my video here. I can give a different shape. If I select on video format, I can give a different shape to my video, I want to make it like this. So I can give any shape over here, and I can give border to my video. It can be a thick border where I want to put this one with some color like I am giving red. So there are other effects also available. Once this is done, slide by slide, I will change the location. I'll make maximum use of the free space available over here. Similarly for this slide also, here you can see this video is also there. In addition to this, my recording is also there. Final thing is that here in this case, if I don't want to keep my video because it is blocking the view of my some particular matter over here, I can remove this particular part over here. Once this is done, I can export it to MP4 file. Once it is in MP4 file, it is purely 100% video of my presentation. I'll show you how it is done. I'll again go to slideshow option. There is an option called export video. If not there, here it is there, export video. When I go to record option over here, once I click here, it will start exporting the video, and it is asking where it should be stored. I am, for time being, I am storing on my desktop over here. Okay. Then it is in MP4 format, file format, and I am telling export. Now it is started exporting the video. You can see slowly it is moving, and once it is completed, my MP4 file of the presentation is ready. Isn't it very easy? Isn't it very simple? Please try. Once you try, you will learn this, and it may take little bit time because was an option I missed to tell you. You can record the video in 4K also, 4K resolution, provided your camera is supporting for 4K. Your mostly web cameras don't support, and if it is there, it is very costly. Even if you do it on HD resolution 1080 pixels, that is sufficient, and this will help you to create a good, beautiful video. Once this is done, this is sufficient so far. Once this is done, if you want, you can edit in other software, maybe like DaVinci Resolve, and there are other softwares are there, but it is not necessary. This is sufficient. It creates a very good video. I'll show you once this is rendering is completed. And this time taking for rendering is dependent on your type of processor use, or if you got dedicated graphic card, it will do a faster rendering, or you got good RAM, it will totally dependent on your laptop or desktop. But it does not take much time if you convert it into HD video, not on 4K. 4K it may take time. I hope this particular session will be very helpful to you, and it will help you to take teaching, explaining things or presentation to a next level. Let us see how the video has come. Don't worry about all this thing. Click yes. Okay. Now it will start playing the video.
Started, I can start explaining the presentation. I can start giving the introduction to the people, to the
see the
audience.
Video how it has come. It has come very beautiful. It has come.
Once this is done, I will go to
see the resolution. It is simply done with my laptop web camera. I forgot to tell one more important thing. I think it will go on like this. I'll take it to next slide.
What are the types of introduction of letters? There are types of it. Go to a next slide where it says that how to write an introduction letter.
One step to make this video more beautiful, effective. What you have to do, that movement of this particular video is very smooth from year to year. What you have to do, go to transition here, select morph. Okay, here again select morph. All the slides should be selected as morph from second to till the end. What happens, if you can see here before converting, how it looks.
Once timer is started, I can start explaining the presentation. I can start giving the introduction to the people, to my audience about the subject or about the topic. Once this is done, I will go to another That is,
See how smoothly it moves. I made it very fast. You can reduce the speed of this movement by going here to duration. If I make it 1 second, it is 0.25 seconds. I can make it to 1 second. It will move very slowly from one slide to another slide. That movement will be very slow. With this, I will end this particular session. I hope you enjoyed it. Before I end, I'll request to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.